Today, we're going to understand what a token is on IsolatedStudy.in and how the IsolatedStudy AI system calculates and uses these tokens while you interact with different tools and models. First, let's copy our current token balance from the dashboard. Now, we'll send a prompt to an AI model and see how many tokens get used. Let's break down this AI response to understand how tokens are counted. Hi there, how can I help you today? Now, count it word by word, positionally. Hi, 1 there, 2, 3, how, 4 can, 5, I, 6 help, 7 you, 8 today, 9 total tokens used. 9 so on IsolatedStudy, each word and symbol is counted as a token. This is how your token balance is calculated after every prompt or reply. When you generate an image on IsolatedStudy, the number of tokens used will be displayed right above the image preview. The token count depends on the model you selected and the number of images generated. Different models may consume different tokens, so always check before generating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on using IsolatedStudy effectively. Try it yourself. https://isolatedstudy.in WhatsApp +91 73026 93676. Email isolatedinfo@isolatedstudy.com. Have questions about tokens or plans? Drop them in the comments. I'll reply to everyone.